Hello, everyone. Today we're making a delicious melon cake with an even more delicious melon glaze. Honestly, this cake is ridiculously easy. There are no secret techniques, no complicated steps. No, you need a grandmother from a tiny village in Italy to teach you this kind of situation. So stop procrastinating, get up, and make it. First, we need to separate the melon juice from the pulp. If you have a cheesecloth, great. If not, a fine sieve works too. Don't throw away the pulp, because we need both the juice and the pulp. The pulp is actually the star of the cake and gives it that fresh, summery melon flavor. For this recipe, it's very important to beat the eggs and sugar until the mixture becomes pale, thick, and ribbon-like. This step helps create that soft, fluffy cake texture. Now it's time to add our melon pulp. Look at that beautiful color. It basically screams, "I'm a summer dessert." Please sift your flour. I know it feels like a useless extra step. I know you're thinking, what if I don't? But just do it. Fold the flour into the batter gently, exactly like I didn't do here. Make sure to grease your cake pan before pouring in the batter. I have no idea why I got too lazy to film the greasing part. Please imagine a very cinematic shot of me brushing butter dramatically around the pan. The cake goes into the oven, and now we'll make the glaze. Remember, cornstarch and hot liquid are enemies. They need a little separation therapy. So mix your cornstarch with cold milk first. Cook it over medium heat. And look who's finally useful, the melon juice you probably thought was going to end up forgotten in the fridge or sadly poured down the sink. Food coloring is completely optional. Also, if you hear some aggressive frying sounds in the background, that's my mom frying eggplants on the stove. I sincerely apologize to the audio engineers watching this. Pour the glaze over the top of the cake. I decorated mine with pistachios and fresh melon, but you can also use melon jelly. And there it is, the moment we've all been waiting for. A close-up of this beauty, because it earned its own little photo shoot. Everyone in my house absolutely fell in love with this cake, so you really have to try it. And finally, a little behind-the-scenes appearance from Winky and Tommy, who are currently busy causing chaos as usual. See you next time!